Introducing new navigation bars to help visitors easily navigate your site. Choose from 30 new navigation bars to match your website's style and personality. Update the navigation bars on your freeform or modular websites to make content easily accessible. Customize them with your installed fonts and themes to make them your own. Updating your navigation bars is a breeze. Select your navigation bar, right-click, and select Change the Style. The Designs gallery displays your options automatically. You have 3 easy ways to replace your current navigation bar: double-click, drag and drop, or right-click import. Your new navigation bars will automatically match your website's style. They are designed using best practices to enhance the user experience. Try our new navigation bars today and make your website easier to navigate, one click at a time.